Most people are eating chia seeds completely wrong. You might think you're being healthy, but the way you're using chia could actually be blocking your digestion and wasting all those nutrients. Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you the right way to eat chia seeds, so your body actually absorbs every bit of fiber, omega-3, and energy they offer. Chia seeds are one of the most powerful superfoods on Earth. Tiny but packed with plant protein, antioxidants, and more omega-3 than salmon, gram for gram. But here's the truth. If you don't prepare them properly, they'll do very little for your health. So if you've ever added chia to smoothies or yogurt and felt bloated, tired, or stuck at the same weight, this video is for you. Why preparation matters. Think of chia seeds like tiny sponges. They absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. If you eat them dry, that expansion happens inside your stomach, which can cause bloating or even constipation. But when you soak them first, you activate the seed, turning it into a gel your gut can easily digest. So step 1, always soak your chia seeds. The best ratio, 1 tablespoon chia to half a cup of water. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight in the fridge. That gel-like texture? That's where the magic happens. It unlocks omega-3s, fiber, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. You can store soaked chia in the fridge for up to 5 days. Once your chia gel is ready, add it to meals that enhance absorption. Chia plus Greek yogurt plus berries equals gut-friendly, filling breakfast. Chia plus oats plus banana plus cinnamon equals slow, steady energy. Chia plus almond milk plus cocoa plus honey equals dessert that fuels your body. These combinations help balance blood sugar, improve digestion, and curb cravings. Timing matters more than most people think. Morning, steady energy and blood sugar balance. 30 minutes before meals, reduces appetite naturally. Before bed, supports overnight gut repair. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Chia's fiber forms a natural gel in your gut, slowing digestion, keeping you full, and stabilizing blood sugar. But it only works with water. For every tablespoon of chia, drink at least 1 full glass of water. That's how your body flushes and cleans effectively. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are the top 3 chia mistakes. Eating them dry. Eating too much too fast. Forgetting to chew soaked chia. Yes, you still need to chew them. Even healthy foods can backfire if used wrong. Take Sarah, for example. She started soaking 1 tablespoon of chia every night and adding it to her oats. Within a week, her bloating disappeared. In 3 weeks, her energy improved and she lost 3 pounds. No diet change, no pills. Her secret? Consistency and preparation. So here's the recap. Always soak chia for at least 30 minutes. Start with 1 tablespoon daily. Pair it with water-rich meals and drink plenty of fluids. Most people keep using chia seeds the wrong way, dry, rushed, or random. But you now know how to unlock their true potential. If this video helped you understand how to use chia the right way, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because real wellness isn't about trends. It's about understanding what your body truly needs.